Hey there, today I have another Haverdash unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with Haverdash, it is an online clothing rental subscription service, and this is actually my second box. And I am actually really surprised because I just mailed back the items I had received in my first box today, although I did do the return notify last week Thursday, but then I forgot to got cats. But then I forgot to mail it on Friday, and then I didn't mail it on Saturday, but I actually mailed it today. So I guess with Haverdash, if you do the return notify, they'll go ahead and start prepping your box and mail it out. They're not necessarily going to wait for you to mail back your previous box. But anyway, I'll put some information as to how Haverdash works in the description box below, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. And just an FYI, if you use a Haverdash referral link, which could be mine or anyone else's, you get a $30 credit, and I also get a $30 credit. So yeah, so it's kind of nice. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in the box. Okay, so here's my box, and everything is nicely wrapped. So here's my bundle, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I see some polka dots. So actually, of the 3 items that I got today, one of them was a priority, but 2 of them weren't. So with Haverdash, you're able to prioritize items in your closet, and then hopefully they'll send those out sooner. And I do have quite a few things prioritized, but I guess it just depends on availability. Okay, so the first item is this jacket. And you know, I think this is really cute, and it's got polka dots, yeah, and it's very cropped. But it's by Renamed, and it's a size small, and the buyout price on this is $79.50, which reflects a 17% off retail, so whatever 17% comes out to. But you know how I love denim jackets, but I thought this one was extra cute. You know, it has polka dots. I really do love polka dots, and yeah, this is just a nice jacket. So I'm hoping this will look good on me because I like it. Okay, next, it's a little scary. I got these pants. They're kind of like pajama pants, and I don't own any pants like this, to be honest. They have like a stripe on the side, and they have this kind of a hem. Okay, these are by BB Dakota. They're the cropped floral orchard crepe pants, and I got them in a size medium. So I'm hoping that these will fit me because they're cropped and they're a size medium, but we'll see. They do look kind of long, but actually I think these kind of look kind of cute. So if I can pull these off, I'll be happy. I don't know though. Yeah, because remember, this is a service for millennials, and I am not a millennial. Yeah. And lastly, I got these jeans. These are hipster jeans. These are 7 jeans, or is it 7 jeans? Can't tell. And they're the embroidered straight crop jeans, and I got a size 6. And it says the suggested size for me was a 4, but I didn't believe that, so I just got the 6. Oh, and the buyout price on this is $71. And by the way, the buyout price on this was $79. These are expensive pants from BB Dakota. Okay, so these are not cheap jeans. One thing I noticed right off the bat, there's something sticking right here. So it's almost like, I wonder if this originally had a patch or something. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure why. But these are these are highly distressed jeans, and they have like this embroidery in the front. And yeah, I just saw these stuck in my closet. I didn't prioritize them because I just put a lot of things in my closet, to be honest. And yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's definitely different. I don't have any embroidered jeans right now. Okay, so that's everything I got in my second Haverdash box. So yeah, so I think some pretty cute things. I don't know if they look too young for me, but I will go ahead and I'm going to try these on tomorrow morning before I go to work, just because it is getting kind of late right now, and I'm thinking I'm going to run out of sunlight. But yeah, I mean, I think they're definitely items that I'm hopeful might look good. But anyway, we'll be back. Okay, so it's the next day, so this is the first item. It's the jacket. And you know, I really like this jacket. I think it's super cute. And so I just have it paired. I kind of looked at the picture they had on their website. So I have it with a white t-shirt, and this is a nice one from J. Crew Factory. And I've got these black jeans that I got from Talbot's, and I got them on clearance. But these, I have to say, these Talbot jeans are super flattering, and I think they're really nice. But yeah, so I think this is a very cute outfit. And I just have some black slides, and these are from Monroe. And very simple jewelry I've got. This is that Rebel pendant from Stella and Dot. And earrings that probably don't match, but I always wear these. They're from Kate Spade. Okay, so yeah, I think this is a really cute jacket. I don't have anything with this polka dots. It's a little boxy, it's cropped, and yeah, I really like this. I might have to either buy it or I'll see if I can find it somewhere else. And my dog is playing. Okay, so here are those kind of crazy pajama-ish pants. And you know, I actually really like these. Actually, I might even love these because they are like super cute. I would never have thought that they would be this nice, and they're really comfortable. And Kai here is playing with a squeaky toy. But anyway, yeah, so these are cute. I just have it paired, you know, I'm just getting style inspiration from the pictures that they have on their website. And so I just paired it with a white t-shirt. It's the same J. Crew Factory t-shirt and the same black slides. But yeah, I think this looks really cute. And you'll see it's an elastic waist, it has pockets, it has a side stripe, and it has this striping detail at the hem. I'm not sure. And then, okay, let's try it with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with a denim jacket. And I think that looks really cute. I might have to, I think the buyout price on these pants was like $79, which to me, I think that's too expensive. But I'll see if I can find it online. That's a win. Okay, so here is the last item. And these are the jeans. And you know, I think these fit really well, except they are a little long, so I've cuffed them. They're supposed to be cropped though, but for me, being 5'1", everything, you know, even if it's cropped, it doesn't look cropped. But yeah, so I think these are pretty cute. So it has like this embroidery, and it has some distressing. So you'll see it has distressing at the knee, and this knee too. And it's pretty faded. But yeah, and I would say this is high-waisted. So I just paired it with a black t-shirt, and this is the same shirt that I had, you know, from J. Crew Factory in white, but I also have it in black. And it's just a very nice basic, and the same necklace. Oh, and the same shoes. So yeah, so I think you can do a lot, you know, with these pieces, and you have the same items, but it gives you a different look. And these are jeans I probably would not have had the guts to buy. But I'm glad that I could rent them just to try them. But yeah, I think these are cute. I'll definitely wear this. And yeah, I think this this Haverdash box was kind of like a home run because I liked everything. And I'm actually tempted to either buy the items or try to find them online or find similar things. So I'll try, and I'll link anything I find. Okay. Okay, so just to wrap things up. So for my second Haverdash box, you know, actually I was really, really happy. Everything I got, I really liked, and what was nice is they were things that I probably wouldn't have purchased, you know? I mean, even though, yeah, I put them in my closet, I probably wouldn't have purchased, especially like the jeans or the pants. I mean, possibly this jacket, but I do think it's kind of an expensive jacket. I mean, the discounted price was, I think, it's $75.50. So, you know, this is probably like a $90 jacket, but it is really cute. I haven't worn this yet. I wear the crazy pants, I actually wear these pants today. And I wore them to work, and I'm on my lunch break actually. I just snuck home for lunch just to film this. Oops, and the cat is here. But yeah, these pants are like amazing. These They're like super, super comfortable. They feel like you're wearing pajamas, but they look nice. And I actually got some compliments at work, you know, without fishing for them. And yeah, I really do like them. And I actually wore it with a denim jacket on top. So these pants are amazing. So yeah, I was really happy with these pants, this jacket, and I think these jeans, I think they kind of look nice. And I thought the cut and everything with the high waist was pretty flattering. So yeah, I'll definitely be wearing these items. So maybe over the next week before returning everything. But I was also amazed with Haverdash at how quickly they turned around the next box. So I actually got my second box on the same day that I mailed out the items from my first box. So but I think it is because I did return notify. So if you are trying the service or you're using the service, it does make sense to do the return notify prior to sending it out. So as soon as you know, like if you're gonna like send things back, I would just return notify. And even if you don't send it back like the next day or even the next day, they'll still be working on your box. So it's a good thing. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. And I'm gonna actually, since she's conveniently located right here, I'm gonna bring Molly. And this is Molly the cat, and she's actually my daughter's cat. And I think she got her at a Petco. So she's a rescue, but she's so sweet. She's like a people cat. So when I come home, now I have these two dogs that greet me at the door and this cat. And sometimes only the cat is at the door. I didn't know cats were like that. So yeah, but she is incredibly sweet, and she's a people cat. And her name is Molly. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos and some outfits of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.